Hey there. Today, we're talking about canyons, how they're formed, what makes them unique, and why they've been around for millions of years. So, the canyon is exactly a deep valley with steep towering sides, usually with a river flowing through it. The term canyon comes from the Spanish word canon, meaning tube. Another similar term is gorge, but gorges tend to be even steeper and narrower. Canyons are mostly formed by erosion, when rivers slowly wear away the land over millions of years. The flowing water carves deeper into the earth, creating dramatic landscapes like the famous Grand Canyon, which is over 250 miles long and a mile deep. Some of the world's most stunning canyons include the Grand Canyon in the US, Colca Canyon in Peru, and Yarlung Tsangpo Canyon in Tibet and China. Another big player in canyon formation is weathering. For example, water seeps into cracks in the rock and freezes. As it turns to ice, it expands, breaking the rock apart and making the canyon even wider and deeper. This process is especially dramatic in slot canyons, narrow, deep canyons, where the walls are so close together you could touch both sides. Some canyons also have ledges, where ancient civilizations, like the Hopi, built homes right into the canyon walls. These cliff dwellings provided protection from the hot sun and enemies. Box canyons are another type, enclosed on three sides, often used by Native Americans to keep livestock, like natural corrals. In some cases, canyons form when limestone caves collapse, leaving behind deep, dramatic valleys. The Yorkshire Dales in England are a great example of this. So to sum it up, canyons are nature's masterpiece, shaped by rivers, erosion, and time over millions of years. From the majestic Grand Canyon to the narrowest slot canyons, they're a testament to the power of nature. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.